Naviglio by Milano Fragranze. What I love in niche perfumes that always have a story behind every scent. So Naviglio is describing a place in Milano. This one is one of eight fragrances in this collection. Always or today I gonna focus only on Naviglio. Naviglio, one of the greatest soapy fragrances that I have smelled before. Yes, I smell in the past Prada L'Homme EDT as a soapy fragrance, as a clean fragrance, but there is something different here. This one is so clean, and what I love more is the combination between the neroli, very expensive neroli here, combination with the citrusy notes in the top. There is also lavender in the middle notes, make it somewhere green, somewhere aromatic. After that, when it's dry totally, it's a change. There is some watery notes taking the ground, also mixed with some white musk. They said also there is some woods here. I haven't smelled woods in the dry down, but the neroli here with the citrusy notes are so obvious and so beautiful. Soapy fragrances. The soap also is the main player here. Try to imagine with me how the smell is so beautiful. After I use Naviglio in my workplace, it stick on my clothes around 10 hours, 10 hours, so on my clothes. But to be honest with you, the performance here is from medium to good. Yeah, so it's not like perform well. The sillage also, or the projection, it's gonna give you around from 1 hour to 1 hour and a half of projection, and after that it's becoming skin scent. Yes, if you spray on your clothes, it's gonna stick more than if you spray on your skin, and that's what I say here, and that's what I see in my day. Naviglio by Milano Fragranze is a fragrance for both women and men. Women can also wear this fragrance, definitely. Yes, it's a soapy, powdery, fresh, citrusy, definitely is for both gender. What I say here also, the price is I think it's little bit expensive. It cost me between 160 to 100, or between 150 to $160. Maybe some persons they can't buy this fragrance, but if you can buy it, I recommend it. Yes, if you love soapy perfumes, Naviglio by Milano Fragranze. In the end, I would like to thank you for watching this episode. I recommend Naviglio. I give it 4 points by 5. I remove 1 point due to the price. Maybe some people find it expensive, $160. Naviglio, if you find it, and if you love neroli, if you love soap, if you love citruses with soap in perfumes, definitely this one is for you. See you in another video with another fragrance from this collection.